Let's see the topics about topologies of computer networks. What is networks? A network is a set of devices which is often referred as nodes connected by communication links. A node can be a computer, printer, or any other device which is capable of sending or receiving data which is generated by other nodes on the network. So computer network refers to interconnected computing devices that can exchange data and share resources with each other. Now let's see the topology. The arrangement of a network which comprises of nodes and connecting lines via center and the receiver is referred as network topology. The other definition of network topology is the arrangement of elements like links or nodes of a communication network. Now, categories of topology. Basically, topology can be categorized into four types: mesh, star, bus, and ring. What is mesh topology? In mesh topology, every device has a dedicated point-to-point link with every other devices. Here, we have 5 devices. So, all the 5 devices are interconnected. That means this device 1 is a connection with device 2, device 3, device 4, and device 5. The same manner, device 2 is connected with device 1, device 3, device 4, and device 5. Likewise, all the 5 devices are connected with all the 5 devices. Then we can calculate the number of ports and links. If the n number of devices are connected with each other in mesh topology means, then the total number of ports that is required by each device is n minus 1. So here we have taken 5 devices. So the total number of ports required in each device is 4. So the total ports is 20. Then we can calculate the number of links. Suppose n number of devices are connected with each other in mesh topology means the total number of dedicated links which is required to connect them is n into n minus 1 by 2. So here we have taken 5 devices. So the total number of links required is 5 into 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 10. Then advantages of mesh topology. There is no data traffic issues as there is a dedicated link between 2 devices, which means the link is only available for those 2 devices. Then the mesh topology is reliable and robust as failure of one link doesn't affect other links and the communication between other devices on the network. And mesh topology is very secure because there is a point-to-point link, thus unauthorized access is not possible. Then the fault detection is very easy. Then the problem with this topology is installation and configuration is difficult and the cost of cables are high as we need the bulk wiring, hence suitable for less number of devices. And the cost of maintenance also high. Next topology is star topology. In star topology, each device in a network is connected to a central device called hub. So unlike mesh topology, star topology doesn't allow the direct communication between devices. A device must have to communicate through hub. Suppose if one device wants to send the data to other device means it has to first send the data to the hub. Then the hub transmit the data to the destination device. Then the advantage of star topology is less expensive because each device only need only one I/O port and needs to be connected with the hub with one link. It is easier to install and less amount of cables required because each device needs to be connected with the hub only. It is robust. If one link fails, other links will work just fine. And it is easy fault detection because the link can be easily identified. Then the disadvantage is if the hub failure means the entire system will be failed. Then the cost of installation is high and the performance is based on the hub only. Then bus topology. In bus topology, there is a main cable and all the devices are connected to this main cable through this drop line. And here there is a device called tap that connects the drop line to the main cable. And advantages is easy installation. Each cable needs to be connected with the backbone cable. Less cables required than mesh and star topology. Disadvantages, which is difficult in fault detection, and it is not scalable as there is a limit of how many nodes you can connect with the main backbone cable. Ring topology. In ring topology, each device is connected with two devices on either side of it. That is, there are two dedicated point-to-point links a device has with the device on either side of it. This structure forms a ring, thus it is known as ring topology. If a device wants to send the data to another device, then it sends the data in one direction, that is forward direction only. Then each device in ring topology has a repeater. Here the function of repeater is which receive the signal. If the received signal is weak, means it will reboost the signal and forward this data until the intended device receives it. Then advantages, it is easy to install and managing is also easier. As to add or remove a device from the topology, only two links are required to be changed. The disadvantages, if a link failure means the entire network will be failed. And the data traffic issues since all the data is circulating in a ring manner. Then hybrid topology, that means a combination of two or more topologies known as hybrid topology. So for example, a combination of star, bus and mesh topology is known as hybrid topology. In this first figure, we have, this is the mesh topology, and the last device, we have the bus topology. And here, this is ring topology, and this is star topology. So here we have all the four types of topologies connected. And in this figure, we have star topology, and again, we have the bus topology. So the combination of all the topologies, we can call this the hybrid topology. Then advantages, we can choose the topology based on the requirement. For example, scalability is our concern means then we can choose star topology instead of bus topology. It is scalable as we can further connect other computer networks with the existing networks with the different topologies. The disadvantages, fault detection is difficult and installation also difficult. So design is complex, so maintenance is high, so it is very expensive. Thank you.